Nothing says repairing a car like different colored panels. Guys, today we're going to rip off the quarter panel, the wheel, actually maybe the quarter panel. I bought this obviously from a wrecker. You can't really see, it's got some light scratches on it. It's not in the best condition, so I'm gonna see if I can get another one. But if not, like I said, the car's gonna be painted or wrapped anyway, so I'm gonna be rolling around with different colored panels. So I might just be being picky, maybe I'm just being a bit picky, I don't know, but we'll see. But for today we're going to pull the wheel off, which you can't see right now, jack the car up, pull the wheels off and have a look at the damage. If you haven't seen this car before, video's in the top right hand corner. And that's it, let's get into it. What I can see so far is this control arm has completely snapped, so that's not connected to anything. It's meant to be connected right there, but it's just been snapped off. This little steering rack arm looks like it's bent, but I'll have to double check the other side just to see. It looks definitely like it's been bent, but we'll see. I thought that would be bad, but that's not, seems to be okay. That's the damage from the inside there. You can see the tires eaten up all this guard liner, so we'll have to get a new guard liner, and we'll have to remove the quarter panel, which I might do now. Alright guys, structurally speaking, the car looks fine. Which I'm sure if it wasn't, it would have been a stat write-off or something like that anyway. This is where the wheels hit this part of the body, but it hasn't damaged the lines. There's this here, so that's been bent a little bit, we can see, so that can get bent back. Alright, so there's the new quarter panel. It lines up good right there where the last one was stuffed, and obviously it's not stuffed there, but right underneath here it's like dinted. So I'm gonna message the guys, the wrecker, and see if I can get a new one, because I don't want to replace a broken ass panel with another broken ass panel. Alright, so I've just put a couple screws in it just so it stays in place for now until I work out if we're gonna get a new one. But there it is. Now I'm going to jack this side up and then compare the suspension components from this side to that side. The steering rack thing on this side also has a little bend in it, so I'm wondering if maybe it's just normal that they've got a little bend right there. This side obviously wasn't hit. Alright, what I've done is taken a photo of the left side so we can have a look. So that arm right there should be straight. It's far from that. This arm here does have bends in it, but we're going to replace it anyway. That there that connects to the sway bar link, it's got the little bend in it, that looks fine. This little plate down here also took a hit, so we'll have to replace that. I just checked all the other braces, all the other bars, they all look alright. Alright, another thing I've noticed, right there, there's no gap. Right here, there's a big gap, and I've just spent some time mucking around with all this. I was looking at all the structural stuff, but it's just, this is broken from the brackets on that side and on that side, so we'll need new brackets and a new light. Have a look at that. That's what was connected to this control arm, and it's obviously snapped, so I just took that bolt out. Alright guys, the guard is on. The damage on the car surprisingly isn't as bad as I thought, so I'll go ahead and order the parts that I found that were broken, and we'll slowly get this thing back on the road. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.